Welcome to Growivo English.
Hello, Pooja.
Hi, Rhea. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you. And you?
I'm good.
Where are you right now?
I'm at home.
Are you busy?
No, not really.
Did you sleep well?
Yes, I did.
What time did you wake up?
I woke up at 6.
That's early.
I like mornings.
Me too. What do you do in the morning?
I brush my teeth.
What do you do next?
Then I make breakfast.
What do you eat for breakfast?
I eat eggs and bread.
Sounds good.
Yes, it's very simple.
Do you drink coffee?
Yes, I usually have a cup of coffee.
I like coffee too. What do you do after breakfast?
I get ready to go to work.
Do you leave early?
I leave around 8.
That's a good time to leave.
Yes, the roads are quiet then.
How long does it take to get to work?
It takes about half an hour.
That's not too bad.
It's fine. On the way to work, I listen to music.
What kind of music do you like?
I mostly listen to pop music.
That's nice. Listening to music makes the ride more enjoyable.
Yes, it makes me feel relaxed.
Do you like your job?
It's okay. Some days are better than others.
I understand. Work can be tiring.
That's true, but I enjoy working with my coworkers.
That's good to hear. What do you do after work?
I usually go home to rest.
Do you cook dinner at home?
Sometimes, other times I order food.
What do you like for dinner?
Mostly rice with chicken or vegetables.
That sounds tasty.
Yes, and it's easy to make.
Do you watch TV after dinner?
Yes, for a little while.
What do you watch?
I watch comedy shows.
That's nice. I like comedy shows too.
They're fun to watch with family.
Do you watch alone or with your family?
Usually with my family. We enjoy it together.
Watching together makes it more enjoyable.
Yes, it's a great way to relax after a long day.
What time do you go to bed?
Around 10 or 11.
That's a good time.
I try to go to bed early.
Do you sleep well at night?
Yes, most of the time.
That's good to hear.
How about you?
Sometimes I sleep well, sometimes I don't.
Stress can make it hard to sleep.
Yes, especially stress from work.
I understand that feeling.
What do you do to relax?
I listen to music or go for a walk.
Walking sounds nice.
Yes, it helps me feel better.
Do you walk every day?
Not every day, but often.
Maybe I should try that. Where do you usually go for a walk?
There's a small park near my house.
That sounds nice. Do many people go there?
Some people, but it's not crowded.
I like quiet places.
Me too, they feel calm.
Maybe I'll find one near me.
That sounds good.
Do you go there on weekends too?
Yes, if the weather's nice.
What do you do there?
I usually walk and sometimes just sit.
Do you use your phone there?
Not much, I try to avoid it.
That's a good habit.
Yes, I think so.
Do you like being outside?
Yes, it makes me feel good.
Do you go there with friends?
Sometimes, but not often.
What do you usually do on weekends?
I sleep in a bit and clean the house.
Cleaning can be tiring.
Yes, but I like to keep my place clean.
Same here, it feels nice.
After that, I usually relax.
What do you do to relax?
I like watching videos or reading.
Reading is very relaxing.
Yes, it helps me feel calm.
What do you like to read?
I like short stories and the news.
That sounds interesting.
Yes, I enjoy it.
Do you read every day?
Sometimes, but not every day.
I should start reading books too.
That's a really good habit.
I'll try this week.
That's great.
What's your plan for tomorrow?
Just work, then go home.
So nothing special planned.
Yeah, nothing special.
Well, I should go now.
Okay, talk to you later.